Hey guys, I'm a redneck. I finally got some off-roading tires for it instead of the stock ones. These ones, no grip, anything. She's wired up, she got headlights, all that good stuff. I don't know if you guys seen the headlights, but she got headlights. But yeah, we got some actual fucking off-roading tires. I'm still working on them. They're still all over the place. I'm gonna be ordering some rear tires, better grip for the rear on this. But yeah, she's coming along. Just thought I'd do a little update. Pretty much just showing the new tires. Pretty much all I've gotten so far is new tires, but still working on all that stuff. But anything happens, I'll let you know. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.